Mastercard Foundation Scholarship Program organizes summer camp training program for the scholars. Mastercard Foundation Scholarship Program organized a 2-week summer camp training program at the Social Science Building Complex in KNUST. The skills training program started with mentorship and career guidance workshop. Some alumni from the Mastercard Foundation Scholarship Program gave presentation on their business setups. The scholars were taken through several skill training such as soap making, millinery, makeup making, wig making, and many others. The various training groups had exhibitions of the hard skills they learned. They were also taken through career guidance. Tech TV News team interacted with some of the scholars and facilitators.
This year's summer camp or skill training has really impacted all of us. It has actually been a nice experience. It has helped us. We are actually doing leather work. And since we came here, we've learned a lot about leather work. We did sandals and slippers. And we've learned how to cut the patterns, the kind of materials that are being used, the process, the step-by-step process that are actually needed for you to be able to do the sandals. So with this skill training, I think it's actually going to help us with our community project.
The greenhouse farming system, it's like the new way, it's the new way for agriculture. You get it, it's a protected farming system, and then it caters or it kind of help address the major challenges we have in our agri sector. We took them through how our nursery is done. We also took them through identification of seeds. What are they to expect when they are procuring seeds, how to read seed labels, and then also to identify the various vegetable seeds when they see one. Their responses are positive. They are very much interested in what we were taking them through. They are glad to see and identify the seeds that we were showing them.
Thank you, Mastercard, for giving us this opportunity to learn different skills.
They've taught us a lot of skills, and I believe that even as I complete school, I'll be able to use these skills to do something to generate income, even when I'm not in the professional field.
I've been working with Mastercard for a long time. I can say for the past 6 years. I would give them a kudos because they are giving them skills. And at the end of the training session, every student has a skill. I would appreciate what Mastercard Foundation is doing for the scholars. I think Mastercard is doing great.
The 2-week training program was climaxed with dinner and handing over ceremony.